English conversation between Sarah and Ria about banned student visas in Canada.
Did you hear about the student visa ban in Canada?
Yes, I heard about it. Do you know why it happened?
I think it's because of fake colleges and fraud cases. Some people were using fake documents to get visas.
Oh, that's bad. So, the government stopped giving student visas to fix this problem?
Yes, they want to check everything properly before allowing new students.
That makes sense. But real students will also face problems now.
Yes, many students who wanted to study in Canada are now worried.
I hope they find a solution soon.
Me too. Canada is a great place for studies, and many students dream of going there.
Let's wait and see what happens next.
Have you heard about the new immigration policies for student visas in Canada?
Yes, I heard some changes are coming. Do you know what they are?
Yes. The government is planning to limit the number of student visas.
Oh, really? Why are they doing that?
They say it's to control the number of international students and manage housing issues.
That makes sense, but will it be harder to get a student visa now?
Yes, there will be stricter rules, like higher financial requirements.
What does that mean for students who want to study in Canada?
It means they will need to show more proof of money to support themselves.
Will there be changes to work permits for students?
Yes, they might change the rules for working hours while studying.
That could be tough for students who rely on part-time jobs.
Yes, but the government says they want to ensure students have a good quality of life.
I hope they find a balance so students can still come and study in Canada.
Do you think Canada has stricter student visa rules compared to other countries? Well, Canada's visa process is easier than the US, but harder than some European countries.
Really? How is it different from the US?
The US has more interviews and a higher rejection rate for student visas.
What about the UK?
The UK also requires financial proof, but their post-study work visa is a bit better.
I heard Australia is a popular choice too. How are their rules?
Australia has a simple student visa process, but tuition fees can be high.
Which country has the easiest student visa process?
Some European countries, like Germany and France, have easier and cheaper options.
But Canada still remains a top choice for students, right?
Yes. Because of high-quality education and opportunities after graduation.
Do you think the new rules will make students choose other countries instead of Canada?
Maybe, but Canada is still a great place to study, so many students will still apply.